I got an information a few minutes ago that some armed policemen has taken over the Oginiba market that was opened by the local government. And immediately I have to reach out to the authorities. I have called the SYMFONI of operation. I also spoken to the Commissioner of Police. In fact, I called him. He has to return my call. I told him this is what the information I got. Why will London and Masalachi invade the Oginiba markets, started shooting and spraying tear gas on those who are trading inside the market? And it's quite unfortunate that, like I said before, that the Nigerian police force have made themselves available to be used by politicians who, in this case, who don't want peace in River State. That market belongs to Oginiba people, and nobody can acquire land without paying the owners. So, as the local government will visit there immediately after now, and I will tell the world what is happening. But I'm aware, the information that the Minister of FCT, Chief Asue Ighodalo, has ordered that the closure of the market. For our people, I want to assure that they should remain calm while we follow it up immediately. And I also want to say that the Commissioner of Police should not be used by desperate people who want to, own our state. What they are trying to do is just to cause crisis. But as a local government, people cannot be mad at the same time. I'm going to follow it legitimately immediately after now. I will also call back the Commissioner of Police to tell them to deploy those men out of that place immediately. That the land belongs to Oginiba people and they should allow them, that they allow the markets to be used. So I want to also appeal to the Inspector General of Police to call these men to order, because they are biting more than they can chew. What they are doing is to cause crisis, in our state. Well, they can't buy that particular property belongs to the people. That is an ancestral land. What he did was to chase people away and took over the place. If you go to Oginiba, nobody was received a kobo, a dime from the hyper city or any other person. So the land belongs to the people. What they are doing there is just to take over the property because they want to use it for their business. But as a local government, we have told the owner of the land to take over their property, and we have opened that market. What they are doing is that they want to create crisis. But as a local government, like I said before, two people cannot be mad at the same time. We are going to follow legitimately and ensure that the police will leave that particular premises. And I want to appeal to the CP that it should not be used by the politicians who are enemy of River State. What we are seeing, that people will just turn into a market, start shooting, tear gassing people because they think they are powerful. It's not that it's powerful. At the end of the day, we know what is going to happen. But I believe that our people should remain calm and allow us to follow up the matter immediately. The committee, that is what they are doing this morning. They went there for prayers so that they can start allocating the places to people to do their business. When they got there, this evil men took over the place and started shooting. And you see, Nigerians are clapping and watching a man destroy democracy in Nigeria. And people are clapping. It is not now, it is later. You have your children, you have your son, you have your daughter. What will people talk about you if you are no more? That you want to go River State, that you are shooting people because you are desperate. People are going from here to Abuja at the end, you die one day. So what are you avoiding this for? So for me, those policemen who are being used are not from River State. They will go back to their state one day and they will go back to retire in their village. Have they asked Joseph Mbu? Let's say should be learned. Mbu is somewhere today, they don't pick his call. He's like, I am sorry for these characters. They will surely get what they are doing. The day of recording is coming. So we are not afraid. We must continue to speak the truth.